This episode will showcase a brand new communication app compatible with the waterproof inverter. First, after we have completed the wiring, you will see its indicator light turn on and flash rapidly. Please note that for the solar panel power and voltage, when the input is below the minimum startup voltage required, the red light will turn on. However, if the input voltage is higher than the startup voltage, there will be a 30-second delay before the red light turns on. After 30 seconds, it will change to a blue light indicating normal operation. First, please turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, and ensure that your inverter is within the coverage range of a Wi-Fi signal. Please use 2.4G Wi-Fi signal source. Step 1. Open the Tuya app, click plus in the upper right corner and then click Add Device. Step 2. When the device appears on the search page, click Add. Step 3. Please input the Wi-Fi password currently connected to the mobile phone and click Next. Step 4. When the inverter completes network distribution and displays the interface, click Finish. After completing the previous steps, we have successfully established the connection. Now that we're on the main interface, you can see the upgraded Graffiti interface, which can visually display the data of the current inverter more intuitively. Compared to the old app, the methods of connecting the two are quite similar. The difference lies in the fact that the server of the new app is more stable, and the interface UI has been optimized. However, please note that the new app is only compatible with the new version of the inverter. That concludes all the content for this episode. Thank you for watching.